there, my name is Faith, and in today's video I'm going to give you a tip on how to prepare ginger tea for relief of colds and flu. What do we actually need? We actually need just a piece of ginger and 1 cup of boiled water and just a round fresh lemon. Get the ginger and do some peeling and cut into small pieces, and just drop the chopped pieces into the boiled water that you've prepared in a cup, and just soak it there, stir it and keep it for 5 minutes. Then later squeeze a fresh lemon. It can be ready to be taken and help you relieve the cold and flu. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click on the like button. Bye bye.